Hello everyone, it's Ella Belita Loves Slots. Today we're going to do a room tour. This is the Bellagio, Las Vegas. We're on the 20th floor in room 126, so we're at the very end of the hallway. So as you walk in, you have this foyer, and there's a full-length mirror so you can check yourself out before you go. And then over to the right is the restroom. And because we're at the very end of the hallway, we have this lovely view outside, and you can see there's dual vanities here, 2 mirrors with that kind of ring lighting to make you look real pretty. Let's head over here. I really didn't know that this was going to be here. There's a bathtub and it has jets, which is my favorite thing. So I'm pretty excited about that, and you can hang out and enjoy the nice sunset as you take a bath. The amenities include soap, and there's bath salts there, body wash, and then there's also a loofah. Some nice towels for you too. Another view of that jetted tub, which is awfully nice. And then our view of the freeway, but you can kind of look beyond that to those gorgeous mountains. There is a separate water closet here, and a pretty standard regular toilet there, but a door you can close for privacy. And then over here, got a nice sized shower with a decent sized shower head there. And then again, some body wash and soap for you. And then we'll step back out and we'll take a look at the rest of the bathroom here. There is a hair dryer included, some nice fluffy bath mats for you there. Some other, a makeup mirror, which is always a nice thing to have. And then here we've got the amenities once again, more soap, there's shampoo and conditioner. And so let's step back now and we'll take a look outside in the rest of the suite. All right, so stepping outside of the restroom, we move into the rest of the room here. So not the largest hotel room we've ever been in, but it's a good size. And I think because it is on the end of the floor here, you have this mirror over, or not a mirror, but a window over here. And then there's another window over here. So I think that really helps to make it seem a little bit more spacious than it is. So as we step in, you can see there's a television here. We've got this console, and we've got a mini bar. And inside the mini bar, there's all kinds of delicious things that you can help yourself to if you want to pay, of course. Excuse me. Not really a lot of room here to put your own things. I imagine on the very top here, maybe you could put some of your things, but I'm not sure if that's kind of weighted or if it's going to mess up the sensor there. So as we close the mini bar, there's tons and tons of Fiji water, which is always great, but remember, of course, you have to pay for it. And then there's nuts, all kinds of different snacks there. There's some drawers here for your storage needs. And then as we stand up from here, you'll see there's an ice bucket, and then we've got some wine glasses and some tumblers as well, some tongs. And then over here, there is just one chair, unfortunately, and then there is a table. It would be nice maybe if there were 2 chairs there for in-room dining, but that's okay. There is a second chair and table over here. And then let's take a look outside. We have actually a very nice view of the pool here at the Bellagio. It's November, just around Thanksgiving of 2021. So not really anyone in the pool, but it looks like it is open. I do see people down there, but there's nobody in the pool at the moment, but this kind of gives you a nice idea of the pools that they have here at the Bellagio. And then in the distance, we've got the Cosmopolitan. There's the rest of our view there. Almost sunset, so nice view. And then turning around here, it's another view of the room. So you can kind of get a sense of it and the style. Stepping over here, nice king-size bed. And then we have a small closet. And inside the closet, you'll find hangers, luggage rack. There's an iron up here, an ironing board. There are 2 robes. And then stepping over here, here is the view from the bed. Nice view of, again, the freeway, but if you look beyond the freeway, the beautiful mountains, and there'll be a nice sunset soon. And then over here on the bedside table, there is a clock. You can set the alarm. It looks like you can charge your phone here too, which is great. And then the draperies are operated by this remote that you see here. And there's a couple of other, oh, here's your safe here. So that's always good to know. Down here we have another drawer, pretty deep drawer here. And then we've got the same thing on the other side. Nice little bench here at the end of the bed. And then over here you've got your standard phone, and then you've got the remote for the television. So that's our room here at the Bellagio. This is room 2126. And again, we're at the very, very end of this floor. So I think we've got some extra windows in here, which help make it look nice and spacious. So I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Thanks for coming along with Elabelita Loves Slots at the Bellagio. Take care and have fun.